Mark and I are at First Creek, right? First Creek. It flows into Todd's Fork. First time we've ever tried it. It's class 2-3, and this is the put-in. So we're ready to have.
Todd's Fork is at what, 9.5 feet?
9.3, I think. So should be a lot of fun. I'll try to pull my camera out as we progress down the creek. Over and out. Mark and I are on First Creek, and I guess this is why they consider it a class 3. It looks like probably total maybe 10 feet tall, something like that. Sort of staircases down. Little shallow today though.
Did your nose go down? You want to bring the nose in or no?
It happens so. Nice.
Get that little sideways. There you go. Oh, that's my first one though. I'll take it.
Good.